Hey y'all, it's Deanna. Hey, it's been a while since I've made a video because I've been working and trying to make enough money to survive, and we're having a difficult time, but I have a job that I'm supposed to start in February, I hope, as an office manager in a hospice, for a home hospice company, because I don't want to do the nursing, so they'll let me be the office manager. Anyway, it's January the 12th, and I got my January Bargain Bead Box. So, I'm going to try and get this opened right quick. I gotta go pick up my boyfriend from work here in a little while. So, I just finished working. So, this month it's the Bargain Bead Box Romance. Passionate red hues form the basis of our color palette. 21 items. Approximate retail value is $73. I have some of those. 11, 4, 5, 7, 2, 8. I'm just trying to put them in numerical order. So. And there's a lot of metal in it this time, it looks like. More metal than I care for. But, you know, it's alright. Most of it gets used. 7, 8. 15, 16, 9. I think that's number 9. Between number 9 and number 6, it's hard to tell sometimes. 10, 19. What's number 6? This is number 6 then. 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, number 1. 64 by 40 chandelier focal component. Lead-free, nickel-free, cadmium-free. I don't think we've gotten one that is this one, but something like it before. It's not real heavy, but it's not flimsy either. It'd look really good if there was this some kind of something right there. It looks almost like an antique bronze or copper, antique copper. Number 2 is 1 meter of 3 millimeter steel Rollo chain. We've gotten some of this before. I like that shape. And I like that it's copper. Lead-free, nickel-free, cadmium-free. Number 3 is 4-piece 22 by 19 chandelier links, lead-free, cadmium-free. These are not very, I mean, they're not real easy to bend, but they're thin. They're cute though. Make some cute earrings with some dangles. Not bad. I don't think we've had that shape before. Not me personally anyway. 42 by 39 millimeter medallion pendant. Lead-free, nickel-free, cadmium-free. That's pretty. I actually like that a lot. I like that a lot. It's cute. I like that one. 5. I know y'all are probably going, oh, she finally likes something in Bargain Bead Box, because most of the time I'm unhappy with them. Number 5 is a 7-piece 13 millimeter 4-loop links. Lead-free, nickel-free, cadmium-free. So, they're lightweight, but they're not bendable, so they're not flimsy. They're cute. They'd make some cute earrings, too. Not necessarily a link. Unless you want to use them as links in some long earrings. Number 6 is just some toggle clasps, lead-free, nickel-free, cadmium-free. 18 by 13 millimeter. I like that this is copper. Because if the copper tends to tarnish if copper tarnishes, it tends to make it look better. But when the silver stuff tarnishes it, no, not so much. Number 7, 10-piece 9 millimeter medallion drops. Lead-free, nickel-free, cadmium-free. They're not double-sided, but they're cute. I've seen people put them together so that they look double-sided. Those are cute too. Cute little earrings or something. Cute little dangles on a bracelet. Number 8, 50-piece 4 millimeter corrugated bicone spacer beads. Lead-free, nickel-free, cadmium-free. I like those. I like that shape. They're not just round. I don't think I have that. There's a lot of this that I'll use. Number 9. Approximately 7-inch strand, 4 millimeter shell pearl, which is man-made, round beads, coral red. So I'm guessing these are acrylic. I wonder how good the coating stays on. On earrings, they won't be so bad. Coating won't wear off so much. Number 10, approximately 17-inch strand, 3 by 2 millimeter crystal Rondelle beads, flirty mix. These are cute. They're shimmery. I like the colors. Those would be good with turquoise or a blue ocean colors. Even a yellow. And a brown. Number 11, 40-piece 4 millimeter faceted cubic cylinder crystal beads. Alexandrite shimmer. So we've had these, but they were bigger. And they do shimmer a lot. They're pretty. We've had them that they were just bigger sizes. Those make for good little spacers because they are blingy. Number 12, 16-inch strand, 6 by 4 millimeter crystal Rondelle beads, Scarlet. So, just some Rondelles. They're red. They're a bright red, though. A really bright red. They'd go good with some black color that they are. A red and white for very good Valentine's color. 13 4 pieces, 16.5 by 9 millimeter. Excuse me, floral man-made coral barrel beads. And these are acrylic. They're just little. They're not the highest quality, but they're pretty. They're just a totally different red now, though. They more match that one. That red's just way off from the rest of this stuff. Number 14, 20-piece 8 millimeter 4-petal bead caps. Lead-free, nickel-free, cadmium-free. Just some bead caps. I like to put bead caps back to back. 15. 20-piece 8x4mm crystal faceted rectangle beads, vintage rose AB. These are different. They're a different cut than, they're like cubes. They're pretty. They're I've never seen that cut before, not in that size either. Those are pretty. 16, 25x15mm faceted quartz teardrop pendant dyed raspberry. Now they said it was all about reds, and what is mine's all beat up. The cut on it's not, the quality is not that good. I don't know if you can see it, but the edges are not smooth, and it just, that's probably going to end up on a sun catcher, which is good. I mean, it's fine. I like sun catchers. 17, 7mm strand, 7-inch strand, 8mm crackle agate, cherry red. The reds just don't match. This matches. This doesn't match. That's pink. Those three go together. These two seem out of place. I like these though. They're pretty. I don't have a lot of red though. I didn't need some. 18, 10-piece, approximately 10mm enamel coated glass beads, pink and cream. Well, that's just odd with to me with the rest of this. They're cute, don't get me wrong, but I just don't think that this is cohesive at all. But they're cute. Excuse me, y'all. Sorry. My cough drop's about gone. But my cough has gotten better. It's not as bad as it used to be. Which happens. It gets bad. It gets better. It gets bad. And I think some of these came off. Yeah. And I think we've had these before. No, well, we might have. Number 19 is a 7-inch strand of 3x2mm garnet, finely faceted Rondelle gemstone beads. Tiny rondelles. Itty bitty. I like those. I like the color. It kind of doesn't really, it's more of a purplish color than, anyway. 20. Another man-made coral pendant. 26x30 carved rose. I've had one of these in a bigger one. I made a necklace. It's cute. I like that it's drilled up here, because the one that I had was drilled across and it was quite difficult to get it to lay right. And number 21, I don't understand. 7-inch strand, 8mm purple aventurine. I'm not. Now there's some pretty things. There's some, I mean, there's a lot that I'll use, but the colors to me just, those might maybe go together if you spread them out right. That maybe some of those. This would go okay. I don't know. I mean, it's good for a $73 value, which I would say is not really quite true. But for $18, there's a lot of this, most of this copper. I'm going to use that copper. So that's good. These little barrel things. And this one, these are cute. These, I don't know. That, you know, that's just a China. Those come from China. They're just a glass Chinese bead. And I don't know that how well the coating's going to stay on that. And the colors too just don't. I don't get it. Overall, it's not too bad because I like these. I like these. I like these. I like these. These. This one. All of this I like a lot. This is okay. I mean, I like that. I like it more than these. I like these. I just don't like it's all grouping. Anyway, y'all. That's my 2 cents. I know somebody's probably going to comment that I, you know, complain too much, but it's my money. You know. It's my money. If it's your money and you're satisfied, that's good. If it's my money and I'm not 100% satisfied, that's good too. Alright, y'all. I gotta go pick up the boyfriend. I think I'm gonna have a order for a bracelet here soon. That's what one girl said, so I'll try to video it. Anyway, y'all have a good one. Hope you have good holidays. Take care, be careful, stay well. Bye now.